Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, today we're taking watch faces and animation to a whole new level. Stay tuned, we're about to check this one out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and this watch face is definitely off the charts. You gotta check this one out, right? Now, this developer took it to a whole new level so far as animation and the theme is concerned. So I'm liking the whole layout of this. Now, yes, I'm into animated watch faces, but that doesn't make a difference. This one here is definitely one of the most unique watch faces I've seen thus far. The name of this watch face is called MG Pendulum. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look for the Gears 3. It's gonna look really good. For the Gears 2, it's gonna look even better. Now, once the watch face is on, let's take a look at this, right? Now, you got a couple of animations going on at the same time, right? You got what is called the loader. You also got the pendulum, as you can see, swinging at the bottom. You see the gears are also moving. I'm telling you, I don't know how she got this to go all at one time. And also you got the tube that's going up and down. This one here was well put together, and on top of it, it is an analog watch face. This thing is a thing of beauty, right? Now look around the bezel of the watch. I like the index that's going on around it. Nice touch with that. Also, you're gonna get your date up at the top. You're also going to get a couple of dials. You're going to get the day of the week, and also you're going to get one for the month. Now, what I like about those is that she put it in a black and white theme, which made it stand out outside of this color, and I like that. Then down at the bottom, she had nerve to put a PM stamp down there, right? I'm liking it. This watch face is definitely well put together, and it ties into the bezel of the watch perfectly, right? Now, it does allow you to change the theme a little bit, right? So let's go ahead, let's check that out. Double tap, and we're gonna cycle through all of it. This one here was worthy of a review. Now this is the night mode thing. We were checking it out. Now if you wanna put it in night mode and you're out for the night or whatever, you could do that. This is a nice color, a brownish color. We're gonna cycle through all of them, give you an opportunity. You're gonna get 8 in all. You know, just cycle through till you get to the one that you like the most. And let it set, let it set, let it set. This one here is nice. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this animated analog watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe. And as always, people, and as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.